Last week I made a video where I experimented making a grilled cheese in the microwave. But this week, I'm going to show you how you can make a grilled cheese efficiently the good way. Now that you have your grilled cheese made, you can add whatever you want to it, such as turkey, chicken, tomato, or bacon. The possibilities are endless. Once you've done that, heat up your grilled cheese in the toaster oven for 7 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your taste buds will thank you. Let's see if it's better than a microwave grilled cheese.